Watching animals is a true pleasure because they are great pranksters, like this goat for example. Right now you have a couple of seconds to subscribe to our channel and we'll get started. And this turtle was ready to die when suddenly... I've never seen a turtle move so quickly. When you went to feed a bear but forgot about the other one. Rumor has it these guys are WWE NXT superstars.
Come on, guys, you got this. There we go.
And yet they were completely destroyed by a 2.5-year-old lion.
Just let us know when you guys are ready to tap out. Moving it. Keep that moving.
And this crocodile was already counting on having lunch. Do you like broccoli? Tell us in the comments. Hard to say who was more frightened. Check out how determinedly this sloth escapes the anaconda. This clip is definitely not for those who are afraid of snakes. Incredible. They did it on the first try. I wonder what would have happened if it caught up with the car. When instead of walking the dog is walking you.
Bro, that's a fucking snake, bro. No, not fucking today. No.
And that's why you should close the lid on the toilet. And here's how giraffes entertain themselves when they think that nobody's watching. And this squirrel decided to play hide and seek with a bobcat.
Who's that cat coming down the street?
I don't know, but it sounds to me like that different man with the bone.
I get a distinct impression that this dog was coached by Messi himself.
And Lionel Messi!
Can someone explain to me what's going on here? And here's a kleptomaniac elephant. And this pug confused shadow for water. This dog was hoping to get some assistance, but...
Help me!
Okay. And this is the coolest flip I've ever seen. Have you ever seen a really happy fox?
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry! You're such a good boy! Oh, please!
It doesn't matter how good of a dancer you are, this bear has better moves. This is what a cat paradise must look like. Not only do they feed you, they clean you as well. If you want to know how caterpillars react to sound, here you go. Nothing special, just a line to the bathroom in the morning. This dog knows how to entertain itself. And here's one of the reasons to get a pet sugar glider. And this dog can give you a paw as well as play a game of volleyball. With a pet like this, you don't need to have a job. Meanwhile, this swan is feeding the fish. Have you ever seen anything like it? And this parrot was shown the Pikachu song. And here's the result. When you can't fight, but you really want to. And this is the bravest duck in the world. Her game with the Sumatran tiger lasted over 10 minutes, and in the end, the duck won. Oh, did you think animals can't talk? Guess again.
Say, I love you. Good boy.
And this chimp lost all of his hair, but it doesn't stop him from being absolutely adorable. The green team won 5-4. When you don't walk your dog enough. And this orangutan found a pair of sunglasses, and check out how much this look suits him.
They're working.
Shouldn't have flaunted food in front of hungry birds. And this dog fell too far behind the yacht and ended up at risk in the open waters. But watch what happens.
The longa have grown a little bit. Eres la jadilonga. Eres la jadilonga.
If this person stops posting their videos, we'll know why. And this eagle caught a shark at the beach. This hawk caught a snake, and it looks like its resistance is futile because the bird decided to have a nice breakfast. And here, people are trying to catch a leopard when suddenly, this huge cluster of spider crabs is in Port Phillip Bay in Australia. A stingray is looking for the biggest, most faded ones for lunch. Give us your best caption for this clip. When you're in a different weight category to your wrestling opponent. I doubt she will want another selfie with a camel. And this knighted king pigeon was prompted to brigadier. It was a difficult challenge to resist laughing for the Norwegian King's Guard. That's all for today. Comment below which moment amazed you the most, give us a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and, well, you know what to do.